Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a school bus. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our drawing of a school bus, let's begin with the front of the bus. So what we want to do is I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a nice line that's just going to come up a little bit and then I'm going to curve it in for the front of our school bus. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. Then what I want to do is turn this into a rectangle. So I'm going to go over, down, and then back over here. So that'll be like the windshield. Now I want to make the top of the bus. So I want to start here. I'm going to bring this line out and I'm going to curve it up a little bit. Then I'm going to bring this up and we're going to come across to right about here. You can see it's got a little bit of a curve. You can always make yours really straight, but I just kind of wanted to add a little bit of detail to mine. Next, let's bring this line down and I want to try to line it up with this best I can. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball that and see that that looks pretty good. Now, to make the bottom of our school bus, we're going to bring this line into about here. Then let's make a sad face for where one of the wheels is going to be. Next, we're going to continue this to about here. Then let's make that second sad face for the wheel. Then we're going to make another line right here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come out just a tiny bit and down. Then I'm going to bring this line over. We're going to kind of follow that same shape. So we're going to go around the wheel and down. Then we'll bring this line over. We'll go around this wheel and down. And then we'll bring it over, out a little bit, and then connect. Now, starting here, let's just make a line that's just going to go down and then come up. And then same thing here, we're just going to go down and then come up, kind of like a circular shape for our wheels. Then we're just going to make another circle shape right inside of here for the inside of our school bus wheel. Now on the front here, let's make a circle for where the headlight is going to be. Then let's make a little line that's going to go out and then down. That's going to be like the grill. And then we'll make a few lines right on here for some detail. Now we're going to make a few kind of rectangular square windows for our school bus. So we're going to leave some space. Let's go ahead right here and we're just going to make a window for our little bus. We'll make another one here, leaving some space in between there. We'll put another one here. And then if you have room, you can always add one more back here. And that'll give us 5 windows, including the windshield, and a nice little odd number always looks good. Now, back here, I'm going to make a little half circle for the tail light. And then I'm going to put a small circle here and then a small circle here just for a little bit of detail. Now, right here, we're going to make that little stop sign. So we're just going to go and make a little line across. We'll make 2 little lines that come out at a diagonal. We're going to go down on each side. We'll come in on each side, and then we will connect right here. Then right across here, let's make a long, skinny rectangle. And then we're going to make another long, skinny rectangle. And this will just add a little bit of detail onto our school bus. Now, inside the school bus, I'm going to make a line that goes across each window. And then I'm going to make a couple little diagonal lines in each one. Then right out here, I'm going to make 2 little lines. And I'm going to make a little rectangle shape for the little mirror. And then finally, up at the top, let's make 2 little small rectangle shapes, just for a little bit of detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a school bus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.